In this video, I am going to show you how to set trade alerts on Forex Factory for free on your mobile device. It is for free, okay, and it works for every type of tradable instrument that you are trading, whether you are doing Forex metals like gold and silver, or you are dealing with commodities like USOIL. So you are going to go to your browser and go to Forex Factory. So go to Forex Factory, it will bring you here. In Forex Factory, there are a lot of things that you can do. They don't have their apps right now, but you can also install this that will serve as a shortcut in your mobile device. Okay, so this is Forex Factory. If you are a beginner and you don't know what Forex Factory is, you can use it for checking your Forex news, your trading news, just like the way my FX book does, and also investing.com. So Forex Factory does that for you. You can see this green part is the calendar part, so it will show you all the types of news that are coming up. Okay, but what I want to show you today is how to make use of this website to be getting free trade alerts. Okay, so we are going to register. If you have not registered with them, you need to have an account. They just need your email address. That is all, nothing more. Again, is free, completely free. So you register with them. You see at the top right hand corner here, there is profile picture. So if you have not registered, just click on anything that you see here and register. Then you can start using their subscription for free. Okay, so I am going to click the market part now. I have registered with my email already, so that's why you're seeing this profile picture here. It means I have logged into it. Okay, so I will click market. So that will take you to all the types of markets that are available. You can see they even have charts here that you can view whatever you want to set as alert for. Okay, remember this thing is free. So I am going to select the type of market that I want to set an alert for it. So I will click this drop down icon here. You can see I will click, then you can search for whatever you want to check the alert for, or you want to set the alert for it. So let me type NZD/USD. You can see it coming up. Then I will click on it. So that will bring up the chart of NZD/USD for me. Okay, you can see the time frame here is 5 minutes. So what I want to do now is I want that once price passes this low, let me enlarge it for you a bit. So I want that if price gets to this low, where this green mark is, this is the low. I want that once price gets to that, it should alert me. So that is around 0.58334. That's 0.58334. So when price gets to this level, 0.58334, I want it to alert me. So for the purpose of this video, price is dropping down towards that place. Now I want you to see how it works. So I am going to set a value where price will just tap us in immediately, so that you see how it will send the alerts for you. It is going to send the alert for you through your email. You will receive an email notification. You will receive a pop-up through your browser, and you also receive a notification through your phone. These three things will happen at the same time. So I am going to go over to the top right hand corner. Over here you will see something like a bell. This is an alert button, notification button. Click on it, so it will bring you up here. So you see we are still on the NZD/USD. So I will click this edit, click the edit, and then you are going to leave this price hit at that particular. So you want that once price hits a particular level, it should alert you. So no need of changing anything. I always leave this one like this. So this price level is the level we are going to edit. So let me edit it to 58334. I told you, remember, but then I want this thing to tap us in immediately. So I am going to set it to where our price is currently at 58376. So let me set it at 58375. so you will click update. Once you are done, how long do you want it to be giving you updates? That's the frequency. So you can click if you want it once per hour or once per 24 hours. It's just once price reaches that level, I want to be notified. So click on update. So you see it is updating it. It has updated it already. So once price reaches that level, it will send you. You see, we have received it. I have received a notification. You can see price has hit. So you will see it appearing like this. You see it. This is an email as well, has come in. So you can set notifications on your phone. If you want it to come up with a sound, it depends on the sound that you want to receive your email with. So whatever sound that you have set your emails with, that is the sound it will come up with. If you have pop-ups, the sound on your device that you have set for your pop-ups, that is how it will send it for you as well. So you can see it has sent the email for us. So it will tell you price has hit that particular level, and even through this you can also view it as well. Through the notification, it will tell you that price has hit that level. So depending on whichever one you see, they send through email because you selected all of these ones. But if you don't want, you can unsubscribe from the email or from the browser or from your header of your phone. Okay, so if you are done, you click exit. For this particular one, I want that once price reaches 0.58334. remember, I just showed you the one just for the purpose of this video. So I am going to edit it back to that particular part, 0.3358334. So that's the price level that I want, that once price gets to that level, I should be notified. So I will click update now. So it will alert me again. This now, you have known how to use Forex Factory to receive Forex trading alerts. It is completely free. The notifications will be sent to your email. It will be sent to your browser and to your header of your phone like a pop-up. This thing is for free. TradingView will charge you for this because it's not for free. Other trading platforms that allow you to set notifications, such as MT5 only allows you to do that one on your desktop device, and I have also made a video about setting it on MT5 on your desktop device. The video will appear at the top right hand corner, but you can see this one is showing you how to do it on your mobile device, and it is free. It's not being charged like TradingView or other trading platforms. So if you have any question regarding how to receive free mobile notifications for Forex, let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.